I don't think it's possible to walk by this bread store and not get some. Can I get 2 more, please? Thank you. Thank you. Gotta be one of my favorite things in the world now. This and the chicken. Oh my gosh. This tastes like carbs that's just flirting with your soul. The texture difference is so extreme. Incredibly toasty outside, inside so soft. Just gotta find a place in the US that serves this. This thing is so good. If you're on the keto diet and you take a bite of this, it's gonna make your keto diet file for emotional distress because it's gonna wanna bite as well. Oh, I think it's open. Look at this. Something is happening here. Wow, it's beautiful. Look at this, guys. That is a stunning plate of crabs. These look way bigger than blue crabs look in the US. Look at the size of this. Look at this. These are the biggest claws I've ever seen on a blue crab. Have you seen something this beautiful before? A little cracker to break the shells open. Oh, this is the biggest one. And these are all freshly steamed. Take a claw off. Oh my gosh. Look at the size of this claw. Incredible. Ooh, comes right out. Look at that. Dip it into the dipping sauce, whatever this is. Oh my gosh. There's a reason this place was on my list ever since the beginning of this trip, and I'm so glad I came back. This is some of the best crab you'll ever put in your mouth. Already I'm feeling sad that this meal is gonna end eventually. Not only is the crab absolutely phenomenal, the dipping sauce, a little bit of vinegar. I love how in the Philippines, they add chilies to crab. It really just highlights how sweet and succulent this meat is. It's so sweet and delicate. Again, I don't think I've ever had a blue crab claw that had this much meat before. These are some fatty, delicious crabs. Oh man, even if you eat it on its own with no dipping sauce, it's just so naturally sweet. Just a tiny bit of brininess from the ocean. Yeah, it's so sweet on its own. It's so good. So pretty. This is the most perfectly sweet crabs you'll find anywhere. That was actually a lot of meat from one claw. Seriously, some of the meatiest blue crabs you'll ever put in your mouth. Now let's open the body up. Boiling hot. Oh man. Right here. The crab back right there. That's delicious. Break the body apart like so. This is all edible right here. I'm gonna dunk it, all the innards, into the dipping sauce. That's pure crab umami. Don't eat the gills though. Crack. Oh my gosh, look at this. That's one of the most beautiful sights in the food world. The joints, this is the best part. Dunk it in the dipping sauce. Wow. That is more tender and sweet than the meat from the claws. Don't forget the meat in these little legs too. I love how spicy the dipping sauce is. Like naturally sweet crab with something that's spicy, it's just so good. Look at the amount of meat you get from the legs. I think this would have been a monster food regret if I missed out on this place. I think everything I've had today so far has just been an absolute home run. The chicken install, the hot bread, and now this crab. Absolute home run. I've had a lot of blue crab in my day. It will be really hard to find something that's more delicate and sweet than this. Oh, look at these ginormous hind legs. This crab looks like it does squats. Look at this thing. Whoa. There's so much meat in here. About as much meat as the claw. This crab definitely did not skip leg day. I think maybe even more meat than the claw. I don't think I've ever had a blue crab where I could take like a pretty ginormous bite of crab meat. I just did with this crab, like a mouthful of meat. I didn't even think that was possible with this kind of crab. So Dennis is telling me every day he only has limited supply of crabs because he has to choose. You have to choose the best quality ones. Yeah, that was really good. Thank you. Those are ginormous. So fresh, so good. Thank you.